The only known koala population in the coastal forests of southern New South Wales between Greater Sydney and Victoria lives on Yuin country, between the western slopes of Goolaga Mountain and the lower reaches of the Bega River. This small, scattered, ecologically unique band of survivors needs your help. During the recent fires, local RFS brigades, national park staff and other agencies across the country worked hard for weeks to protect the reserves where these koalas live. Parts of the reserves were heavily impacted, but much of the forest canopy stayed intact. After the fires, search parties found evidence of koalas on burnt ground. Koalas that escaped the fires with minor injuries were found several kilometres away on private property. After resting and feeding, these koalas returned to the reserves. There are still so many basic details of koala life that researchers are finding: their genetic makeup, the chemistry of the leaves they prefer, even their bark preferences. This koala in the Murray is sampling bark after the fire. Koala Action Network volunteers seek to better protect these koalas by sharing information and conducting workshops, supporting Indigenous-led cultural burning programs, organising koala surveys, sending samples and data to researchers, reviewing ways that the population can be monitored, planting koala browse species, and deploying water stations during drought. We cannot do this alone, so we are working with the local community, traditional custodians, Australian universities, land education centres and government agencies. You're welcome to join us.